why we sneeze, Mr. Antelope. We sneeze when dust gets in our noses.
That's good thinking, Eleanor. Here, let me show you. This is a drawing of a dog's nose and what the inside looks like.
Wow. Cool.
Lots of animals like rabbits, bats, and elephants have noses like this, and they all work in pretty much the same way. When little things like dust get in your nose, they make it feel all tickly inside. That's your body's way of saying, I don't like this dust in here. So to get it out, your body blows it out with a big gush of air. That's what a sneeze is.
Oh, it's something the body does all by itself.